What is up, everybody? Got a special one for you today. We're gonna start a project for my mom. She's building a house on her farm, and today is the day that we're gonna break ground on that. So it'll be a several part series on that. It's not gonna be all in one video. So if the videos do all right, then we'll continue to make them. But anyway, my brother has got his guys right now laying out for them. I'm doing some errands this morning. When I get those done, I'm coming back. I'll dig the footers, and Josh will have his guys and us all pour and show you guys a little bit about that end of it.
I usually leave them running whenever battery's dead.
The cable was loose.
Tape's right in the way. Just a hair. Just stick it right there. Tilt it this way. Do too much. Stick it right there.
That's good. Alright, come up to the high ground.
$51.
I done this all day yesterday.
All day.
Oh, it was just like they was just jumping in the boat.
Stripping sod is going to be your first step after your layout. So we've got all the lines painted out for the exterior dimensions. Then we offset those 8 inches for the block to be on the footer. Now we're stripping sod. So once we get the sod stripped off of it, then we'll end up going back, digging the footers, and concrete's supposed to be here at 2 o'clock. It's about 11 o'clock now, so we got a few hours to get that done. Quite a bit of footer to put in here before 2 o'clock, but everything usually works out. Got a couple more scoops. This first truck's going to be full. We're taking the spoils out. We're going to go ahead and send them over to Josh's and her property line where their properties meet, so that they're not in the way of anything. Josh is going to go ahead and strip the rest of that sod, and that should put us ready for concrete here in the next couple hours.
What?
It's super nice dirt.
Super nice dirt.
Yeah.
Excited?
I'm excited.
Well,
Bruce has no idea because he had an eye doctor's appointment. He knew that they were going to lay it out today. What time's the concrete coming?
2 o'clock.
2 Nothing like getting it all in one day.
That's right.
I think he sucked all the mud out of the lake last night.
Could have done had a half a limit by now.
Half of it.
Half a footer, Doug, is half a limit of crappie. These two of us here got our mind in the same place. Alright guys, we've rounded the halfway point. Mom seems to be satisfied. Dad stopped by for a few minutes, checked everything out. He's made his way back to the air conditioning. Or knowing him, probably the heat. Mom told him he needed to come over here and make sure we were lined out. You don't have to keep it straight no more.
No, I just stopped by and waited there with the police. Bye, George. See you next year. Right, me in Hawaii. Next week? All right.
Back here and we're going to stick a sleeve in for the sewer and one for the water. That way we don't gotta dig later.
Quarter. Perfect.
Concrete's come a little dry for footers, so we're going to add some water to it, wet it up a little bit. Got to wet her up. So we got Nick back here. He's running the street board, just streeting everything down. A lot of times we'll float them, sometimes hand float them. But he's making a fine looking footer there, bud.
That's the best one all year.
I got a feeling that your straight board's a little long, right, Jimmy? You're gonna be out there on the dirt. Oh, look at her go! Golly!
You know about streets.
What do I know about screeding? I don't know, Nick. I was raised doing this. What do you know about plumbing? That's a question.
No.
I might not be the best teacher, y'all. They plumbed with me the other day. Didn't learn anything. Struggling. Oh my God. Well, such is the life of a concrete man. That's why I plumb for a living, y'all.
I am the street.